Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to reset your Outlook view to default. If you've been customizing your Outlook interface and things are looking a bit cluttered or disorganized, resetting to the default view can help restore everything to its original clean state. Let's walk through this simple process. First, you'll need to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the interface we'll be working with. Make sure everything has fully loaded before moving to the next step, as you'll need access to all the menu options. Once your email has been loaded and you can see your inbox, it's time to access the View menu. This menu is located on the top part of your screen where all your main tools and options are displayed. Look for View in the menu bar and click on it. This will open up a range of viewing options that control how your Outlook interface is displayed. After the View menu has opened, direct your attention to the top left part of the window. Here you'll notice a gear icon labeled View Settings. Click on this icon to proceed. Doing so will bring up an advanced view window that contains several customization options for how your emails and folders are displayed. Now, within this advanced view window, look toward the bottom section. You'll see an option called Reset Current View. It's important to note that this option is only available if you've previously made changes to your view settings. If you haven't customized anything, this button may not be active. Simply click on Reset Current View to restore your Outlook interface to its default settings. And that's it. Your Outlook view has now been reset to its original default state, clearing away any customizations you've made and giving you a fresh, clean interface to work with. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.